Hi guys, Elledani here. Today I am bringing you the beard bead tutorial that is not for beards, which I've been talking about for a minute now. I have a handful of beard beads from Grimfrost that I'm going to put in my hair. I have 4 braids, but 5 beads. I'm going to show you with Grimfrost actual beard threading tool. This is actually Ragnar's that I stole for this video. So, let's get going. So we are going to start with the thickest braid that I did down here and also with the biggest bead just because it makes it easier to start larger, I think. I am also using Grimfrost's beard bands, which are really thicker than your average band, and it kind of helps the beads to stick a little bit better. So, first off, you slide the bead all the way onto the tool. You bring the hair through the tool. I do it just below where that rubber band sits. And then gently pull it through. And then I work it up over the rubber band. And once it is worked onto the rubber band, it should be pretty snug and tight. So that is the first bead, and that is really how easy it is. We're going to do another one with a smaller bead. Again, put the bead down over the tool. Bring your hair through the tool. If it's too thin and the bead won't stay on, you probably want to put a second band on at that point. It'll make it a little bit thicker and give a little bit more of that rubber grip for the bead to actually hold on to. That's way snugger, and that should actually hold now. So that is our first 2 beads. So the next 2 are a little bit smaller, so they're going to be a little bit difficult to deal with. But we'll see what we can do here. So now this braid is a double, so we have 2 bands there. So I'm still going to go at the bottom where the hair is going to be the thinnest to get the bead onto. So you want to wiggle it up past the first set of bands. Oh, shit. For the thinner ones especially, you want to make sure that your bands are really tight, which is the problems I've been running into along some of this. Or use smaller bands, I suppose, for these itty bitty beads. And there we have it. All 5 beads are in the hair. The double definitely looks kind of cool. It's just a little bit harder to get in, get it really adjusted. These beads are all available on Grimfrost, as is that threading tool, which makes a world of difference. And don't forget, if you're shopping on Grimfrost, Dragoness10, DRAGONESS10, get you 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. I definitely have a lot more coming like this. Until next time, Skull.